'neath the glassy sky, we're eyes on painted wings. Silver clouds dissolve in lace, where the quiet angels sing. Your voice drifts through my hollow chest, a soft and burning flame. Every breath a whispered vow that time cannot reclaim. Our shadows melt in amber light. The world spins slow, the dream in flight. Every color bends around our name, and nothing ever feels the same. Lovebirds in the storm of the dawn, with the echo the stars look upon. Two hearts like constellations collide, bleeding gold in the velvet sky. Oh, we dance through eternity's hush, wings of devotion trembling in rush. Love bursts through silence we soar, heaven opens and asks for more. Across my mind, every thought a ripple on the rivers we've designed. I touch the edge of galaxies where your soul begins. The orchestra of night unfolds and the waltz begins within. Time falls like glass confetti, slow and infinite. We blur between the pulse of light and ache of it. Philosophy that let us burn in grace, two shadows kissing through the face of space. Lovebirds in the storm of the dawn, with the echo the stars look upon. Our hearts two symphonies collide, bleeding dreams where the night can't hide. Oh, the heavens are watching us fall, in the beauty of breaking we lose it all. Lovebirds forever in flight, haunting the edge of morning light. And when silence wears the crown of snow, our feathers scatter soft aglow, still the wind will hum our tune to lovebirds beneath the moon, to love.